Hello everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to help our computer make decisions, just like how we make decisions every day. We'll use if, else, and switch to decide what to do in different situations. The if statement is like asking a question. If something is true, we do one thing. If it's not true, we skip it. For example, if it's raining, you might decide to take an umbrella. Let's see the result on console. If the condition is false, nothing is going to happen inside the if statement. Sometimes, we have more than one question to ask. After if, we can use else if to add another option. Let's say, if it's raining, we take an umbrella. But if it's sunny, we wear sunglasses instead. Let's write our conditions. Don't forget, you can add as many else if as you want. Please, don't forget to like and share this video. Let's see the result on console. And finally, we have else. This tells the computer what to do if none of the other conditions are true. So if it's neither raining nor sunny, we'll say stay home. Let's write our conditions. Let's see the result on console. See, the value on the console is changing when I change the weather. Don't forget, you can add as many else if as you want. Let's see different examples. Whenever a condition is true, that condition statement is going to work. If none of the conditions are true, the else block is going to work. Now, let's talk about switch. It's like a big decision maker that looks at one thing and decides what to do based on its value. Let's use a traffic light. If it's red, we stop. If it's yellow, we get ready to move. If it's green, we go. Please, don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.